Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how the Stowbag gets filled. What I'm going to do is do it backwards. I've got a completed Stowbag here. Open it up, and as you can see, the components inside here, the post, the arms, and then the final end piece that holds the APCO roller troller and the elbow piece. So what I really wanted to explain was how to use the Velcro to keep your items from slipping out. If you'll just slide, as you can see, the post here, slide it in, and then what I do is get my Velcro and tighten it just above the ridge here. Same with the arms. I put those in, and then I tighten it where, again, they can't slide out. Just precautionary. Then the end piece, what I do is I turn it sideways, and then I put the elbow piece in, as you can see, and I stick that into the side here, just again for more security with it, and then tighten it up. Here is where I normally put the APCO roller troller, but obviously you can do whatever you like there. And then all of your hardware here. That's it. Once you're done, you have all the components in. Just roll it back up and secure it with the locks, and you're good to go.